welcome back to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
And today we're going to, what are we making today?
We're making zucchini curly fries.
Zucchini curly fries, yeah. Who sent us this recipe?
Jamie Thomas.
Jamie Thomas. You have lots of friends, don't you?
Yes.
Yes, wow, okay. So we are going to make zucchini curly fries in the oven. So we thought we would show you all because we did get that wonderful recipe sent over to us by Jamie. So let's go over the ingredients. Ready?
So we have noodles.
Okay, spiral noodles. Zucchini noodles.
Zucchini noodles.
Before we move on, I just want to say one thing about this. All right, you might have a spiral. I did not have a spiral, so I just bought them pre-done at the grocery store. So to me, if it saves a little bit of time, it's worth it, right? Time is money. Okay.
We have salt.
Flour.
We have egg whites.
Egg whites, right? And I showed you how to change an egg white or how to make an egg white, okay?
We have
these are panko, Chinese, right? Japanese.
Japanese panko.
Breadcrumbs.
Parmesan cheese. Pepper.
That's oregano. And that's salt. All right, you got it, girl. Okay, so I thought today, because we're gonna have to be doing a little bit of the dipping, and also the egg whites probably need to be, can you mix those a little bit while I pour? Here, let's move this out of the way for you. Just,
sometimes you can't eat no white eggs.
Sometimes you need egg whites?
Yes.
Because they're what, healthier?
Yes.
Okay, well, scramble those. That's what I'm trying to say.
You cannot eat that because you'll be really sick.
Oh, you mean you can't eat it like salmonella poisoning?
Yes.
Like when it's in cookies?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, at least you know some things are getting through, right? Okay, so Kay, we're gonna switch positions. Let's, 1 second though. I'm a little scattered. We're gonna dump the panko breadcrumbs in here. Go ahead. And then the Parmesan cheese. And that's oregano. Dump it all in there. Okay, and now the oregano. Okay, and the salt. And that was a 1/4 teaspoon salt, you guys, and a tablespoon and a half of oregano. And go ahead and mix that up gently so it doesn't get out of there. Use the tip of the fork, probably. Here, hold on. Do this. Kind of. Just stir it up so it's in there. Okay?
Okay.
You want it, because if you only have it in a lump right there, then it's going to be all over one zucchini and not all of them. So we want to mix it up. Okay, so this is going to be a matter. I thought today would be a little bit easier, and this is where we're going to switch sides, Kay, is I'm going to have Kaylee you're going to take little handfuls and dump them in there, and then you're going to put them in there, and then I'm going to grab them and get my hands dirty, okay? And FYI, everybody, we did already wash our hands before we even started any of this. So I'm gonna grab a little handful, like this, and put them in the flour. So you're gonna dredge them in flour, and I figured shaking them in the bag might be easier for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe you wanna add a few more. Actually, Kay, why don't we just do this faster and dump all of that in there, and then you can just hand me a little bit at a time.
Okay.
How about we do that? You wash your hands, I'll throw them in here, and then you can shake. All right, we're adjusting this recipe as we go, guys, because we did try it out in advance, but in front of the camera, sometimes things are always different. Okay, so I'm gonna zip this for you, and then you shake, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna take a little bit, and wait, let's get you go ahead. Put a little bit in there, but I think you don't want to get your hands dirty.
Yeah.
So maybe scoop a little and put them in
the egg.
In the eggs. There we go. And then use that one for that. And then I will take these. I'm going to take this part and put them over here, okay?
Okay.
Well, you all, there might be an easier way. I just haven't figured it out yet. So you're going to put them in there? Okay, go ahead. It's like they went for a bath. Right, so we have them all breaded and egg washed and breaded and dredged and everything. And I wanted to mention too, if you did not want to use flour, you could also use cornstarch, I think 1/4 cup. And you could also use whole eggs. We used egg whites to try to cut down a little bit on calories. But anyway, we're gonna put it in the oven at 425 degrees and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Right, Kaylee, set the timer.
25 minutes. Set them on for 25 minutes.
I'm Tom.
I'm Kailee.
See, normally Shantae says that, but this is my turn to say it. Normally I'm behind the camera, so this is my chance to come out from behind the scenes and be with Kaylee, right? So today, during the time that the curly zucchini fries are in the oven cooking, I'm gonna take a few minutes to talk about the zucchini. You wanna learn some fun things about the zucchini? Okay. Couple things. Zucchini, squash, yellow squash, they're all part of the summer squash family. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
That's good. The summer squashes all came from an area of the world called Mesoamerica. Do you know where that is?
It's up north,
Close. It's the opposite. It's down south.
down south.
Down south. The summer squashes all originated in that central Mexico down to Costa Rica area. And then, like a lot of things, they were then discovered, taken elsewhere, and then used there. The zucchini is one of those things. So the zucchini is also known as, it goes by a different name, called a courgette or courgette, depending upon how you pronounce it.
Like a Corvette, like that.
It's not like a Corvette. Corvettes are my favorite car. Don't confuse them. Not a Corvette, but yummy nonetheless. So a courgette is another way of saying an immature zucchini. Immature means it's not fully grown. Did you know that a fully grown zucchini can grow up to 40 inches or 1 meter?
Wow.
That's like saying from here to about there. It's big, right?
What?
But you can't put that in a grocery bag, can you?
No.
It wouldn't fit, would it? No. So they cut the zucchinis when they're about this size, anywhere from 6 to 10 inches. And they're yummy, aren't they?
It's good to eat too.
They are yummy, aren't they? That's right. And the vitamins and nutrients that are found in zucchini are also good for helping with heart disease and cancer. Did you know that? So that's good, right? It's delicious. It can grow really big, and it's also healthy for you, right? That's awesome.
And diabetes is good for you too, like that.
Is it good for curing diabetes? I don't know that, but we can certainly look it up. But that's a good question to ask. So with that being said, while the curly zucchini squash fries are in the oven, I'm gonna turn it back over to Shantae and Kaylee.
Hi, these just came out of the oven, 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the crispiness you like. And then you might want to add a little more salt. I did break them up a little bit so it'll be easier to grab. We're serving it with a 1/4 cup of marinara with a 1/4 cup of low-fat ranch dressing. So, Kaylee, let's see if we can get you a plate. Try them out. Tastes like curly fries?
Mm-hmm.
With marinara sauce or zucchini fries? Well, this was a lot of fun. And we want to thank Jamie Thomas for sending us this recipe. We hope that you enjoy it. What did we want to ask them? Give us
another recipe, or give us a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like our video.
but we don't want any thumbs down. So just give us thumbs up and tell us you like our videos. And Kaylee's ready to eat more. You like them? They're good?
And create, cook, and talk.
Encourage learning while creating yum. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.